If you want to quickly check your Hostinger balance, this video will walk you through the exact steps in just a minute. Whether you're managing your own hosting account or keeping track of available funds for renewals and purchases, knowing where to find your balance inside Hostinger can save you time and help you stay organized. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump into it. First, log into your Hostinger account, open your browser, go to Hostinger, and sign in with the email and password connected to your account. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard where all of your hosting tools and account settings are available. Next, look at the left-hand menu. On the sidebar, find and click Billing. This is the section where Hostinger keeps all of your payment-related information, including invoices, subscriptions, and account balance details. After that, on the billing page, choose Payment Methods. This is where you'll find the payment setup area linked to your account. Hostinger places your balance information on the right-hand side, so once you open Payment Methods, look over to the right panel to see your Hostinger balance displayed there. Take a moment to double-check that number so you know exactly how much balance is available in your account. If you're using it to manage renewals or future payments, this is the fastest way to confirm your current balance without searching through other settings. And that's it. That's how to check your Hostinger balance in just a few simple clicks. First, you log in, then you go to billing, then payment methods, and finally, you view the balance on the right side of the screen. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Hostinger tutorials, and comment below if you want to see more quick step-by-step guides.